Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, AI in Finance, Chapter 5, Flash Fill in Excel. Flash Fill in Excel is a powerful tool that leverages pattern recognition to automatically complete data entries, saving significant time and reducing errors in data processing. When working with large datasets, manually entering or reformatting information can be tedious and error-prone. Flash Fill addresses this by identifying patterns in user inputs and applying them to the remaining data, streamlining tasks such as splitting full names into first and last names, formatting phone numbers, or extracting specific parts of text strings. In the context of AI in finance, Flash Fill enhances data preparation and cleaning processes, allowing finance professionals to focus on analysis and decision-making. By automating routine data transformations, Flash Fill not only increases efficiency, but also ensures consistency and accuracy, which are crucial in financial data analysis and reporting. AI in Finance explores practical examples of using Flash Fill to simplify and expedite data handling in Excel, demonstrating its impact on financial workflows and productivity.